Hi and welcome to Treasurie. I'm Louisa and today we're going to make the Peacock Cowl. Now I've named it the Peacock Cowl because it uses peacock stitch and you'll be able to make this beautiful warm neck piece for winter. Let's get started. For our cowl we're going to use a super chunky yarn. I've used Lion Brand Wool Ease, which is easy to find and it's a wool blend so it's nice and soft. I've also used a 9mm hook and that's it, so let's get started on our Peacock Cowl. We're going to start with chain stitches. Chain stitches, as you probably remember, are yarn over and pull through. You'll need 48 chains and it has to be a multiple of 6 just in case you're changing the pattern, bigger or smaller. And the other thing to check is that the chain fits around your head. Here's our 48 chains and we're going to join it into a circle. So just make sure that it is not twisted. And then insert your hook into the last stitch and do a slip stitch. So yarn over and pull through both of those. And one last double check that it's not twisted. Start the next row with a chain 1 and single crochet into each stitch around the loop. Single crochet is insert, yarn over and pull through. That gives you 2 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. So I'll do that one more time. Insert, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So every chain needs a single crochet all the way around and I'll show you how to join it up. Here we go, I'm at the last stitch. And we need to join it up. You do that by inserting your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through the one on the hook. That's called a slip stitch. Here's the start of row 2. Chain 1, single crochet into the base of that chain. Skip 2, 1, 2, and we're going to do 5 double crochet into that next stitch. Double crochet is yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 again. So that's 1, and second double crochet, and third double crochet, number 4, and number 5. Skip 2, 1, 2, and single crochet into the next stitch. So that's our repeating pattern. 5 double crochet, skip 2, single crochet, skip 2, and then the 5 again. So do that all the way around and I'll show you how to join it up. So let's do the next one together. Skip 2, 5 double crochet. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that's 1 and we need another 4 in there. Here we are at the end. We've got a cluster of 5, then there's still a skip 2 here, and we're going to slip stitch into the top of the single crochet. So insert, yarn over and pull it through and through the one on the hook. And we're up to row 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet into that same stitch below. So we have the 2 double crochet there, chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet in the middle of that fan. So you'll single crochet into the 3rd stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2, move across and do 2 double crochet into the single crochet. So that's our pattern for this round. We have the chain 2, single crochet into the middle of the fan, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the single crochet. So the easy way to think about it is you're doing a short stitch where it's higher and the longer stitch, which is the double crochet, where it's got a bit of a valley. So that will straighten out the whole row. So go all the way around and then you will slip stitch to join. So let's do a couple more together. chain 2, single crochet into the middle of the fan, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the single crochet in the dip. Repeat. And here we are. I finished that row, and you're going to do a slip stitch into the 3rd chain at the beginning. And all that's left to do is to repeat the 2 rows. So you have the fan row and then the straightening row. Chain 1 and do a single crochet into the middle of those 2 double crochets. And then 5 double crochets in the top of the single crochet. And then continue that all the way around. So you've got your single crochet and then the 5 doubles. And here we are with our finished round. I've just joined the end bit with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain, and now all you have to do is repeat. It's a 2-row repeat. So we have our straightening row with the single crochets and double crochets, and then we have our fan row. And all you have to do is keep crocheting until your cowl is your desired height. Here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the fans, so which is the 10 rows. But you can make it as high as you like. Thanks for watching this cowl tutorial, and I'll see you next time with more crochet, sewing and craft tutorials.